So 25 years ago, 25 years ago, I discovered a gift that I did not know I had. A gift to enhance the beauty of women. Such a blessing. At the time, you could not have told me that I would have been a full-time care provider in this business of hair. But here I am, 25 years later, loving the work. I found a passion in it that I hadn't found in any space in my life at that time. And I love the people that I serve. And to commemorate this 25 years, I said, I want to do something special. So I said, let's do this. Let's give my clients, those who have supported me through the years, 25 years, the consumers, and the viewing audience, you, whether you've supported me for 20 years, 5 months, or just the last 5 minutes because you just learning who Cornell Jermaine is. Listen, I want to celebrate you and honor you for supporting me. With that said, I want to introduce to you Quick Tip Tuesday. This is a moment that I will take every week for the next few months to give you my best as it pertains to hair care. Quick tips to help you in your hair care journey. Doesn't that sound nice? I know it does. So if you have any questions, please, if you have any hair care concerns, please in the comments leave them so I can address your need specifically. With that said, I want to thank you again for your 25 years of support. However long you've been supporting, whether it's been my channel or my business, I want to thank you. And I'll see you again on Quick Tip Tuesday with Cornell Jermaine.